that there's now, in fact, inflation rate is getting worse day by day, and that affected so many lives. They are homeless. They don't even have where to stay. Even if you see somewhere where you can go and pay for the moment, you don't even have the finance to secure the place.
Thank you.
So it's affecting lots of people. So I don't know. We're just praying for God to strengthen us in this hard time.
Thank you.
That we surely overcome this flood. When we see the end of this flood will not see our end in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen.
Briefly, on this disbursement, they said the governor don't release further 50 million rice, gari.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
Have you
We have
collected
not
yours?
seen anything.
Okay. And how do you think they should be able to disburse these things to the household? What is the best way to distribute
I
this
think
material?
they should send government officials, just divide into different streets, and that they should attend to those streets, share some bag of rice, maybe goods, or even cash, and for them to use to manage for the moment. I think that's the best.
Okay.
Or they should say, or everybody should go to maybe to the government house that should go and collect whatever they are sharing there. I think that's it. Even if you want to go to there, maybe the road from the road to the government house is even blocked with the flood. So I don't know. So I think the best option is for them to come to the streets and render help to the homeless, to those that are struggling to survive, because this period is not easy at all. It's not easy. I'm hearing that the black market for fuel is now 1 liter is now 600 naira.
Black market.
Black market.
Okay.
So how are we going to survive? There's no lights. There's no light, and we have to on our phone, charge our phone to communicate with loved ones that are not here, because we are scared. You understand? So it's not easy at all. It's not easy. I imagine rice custard is now 4,000. Rice custard is now 2,500. So it's not easy. So something has to be done.
We must
The government
survive.
should please come and intervene on our behalf. At least to make things easier for us in this difficult time. And I'll pray God should touch their hearts to do something as soon as possible, because as you can see, the water is increasing every day. So please, we are praying for God intervention to touch the government to do something about it. And we will surely overcome it in Jesus' name.
Now, before now, this flood, how much were you buying fuel? And now that, how much are you buying the fuel?
Now, fuel, if you go to some areas, 500. But before it was
A liter?
Yes.
Imagine.
But now, it's 500. Before it was 180.
180 to 500. Mohammed Buhari, as you can see, this is a road user complaining bitterly on the increase of transportation and fuel.
They go play for water, they run, but now see here water you reach me for waste. It makes sense. There's nowhere to sleep.
Yes.
Even when they try self, but they so far like this.
Imagine. Wonderful. This is the highest flood we have seen so far.
Very
Since the creation of Bayelsa.